The 2025 Mercedes Norva Aloha is shaping up to be one of the most exciting camper vans of the year, blending luxury, innovation, and practicality. Designed for adventure seekers and road trip enthusiasts, this vehicle promises to deliver a seamless blend of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Let's dive into everything you need to know about this highly anticipated camper van. The Norva Aloha boasts a sleek, modern design with aerodynamic lines that enhance efficiency and style. Mercedes has incorporated a high roof configuration, providing ample headroom and a spacious interior. The exterior features premium LED lighting, a bold grille, and customizable paint options, including eco-friendly matte finishes. Large panoramic windows not only enhance visibility, but also flood the cabin with natural light, creating an airy, open feel. Step inside, and you're greeted by a meticulously crafted interior that feels more like a luxury apartment than a camper van. The Norva Aloha offers a modular layout, with options for a fixed or convertible bed, a compact kitchenette, and a wet bathroom. High-quality materials like vegan leather, sustainable wood finishes, and noise-insulating fabrics ensure a premium experience. The van also includes smart storage solutions, including under-seat compartments and overhead cabinets, making it ideal for long-term travel. Under the hood, the Norva Aloha is expected to feature a plug-in hybrid powertrain, combining a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor. This setup is projected to deliver around 300 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, ensuring smooth acceleration and ample power for highway cruising and off-grid adventures. The electric-only mode is estimated to offer up to 60 miles of range, perfect for silent, emission-free camping. The van's battery pack is rumored to support fast charging, reaching 80% in just 30 minutes with a DC fast charger. For home charging, a Level 2 charger will fully replenish the battery in about 4 to 5 hours. Mercedes is also expected to include solar panel options on the roof, providing supplementary power for off-grid stays. While speed isn't the primary focus of a camper van, the Norva Aloha is no slouch. Early reports suggest a 0 to 60 mph time of around 7.5 seconds, thanks to its hybrid powertrain. The van will likely feature adaptive suspension, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough terrain. Mercedes's advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control, will make long drives less fatiguing. The Norva Aloha is set to come packed with tech, including Mercedes's latest MBUX infotainment system, with a large touchscreen, voice control, and over-the-air updates. A premium sound system, wireless charging pads, and multiple USB ports will keep passengers connected. The van may also include a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and advanced navigation tailored for campers, highlighting RV-friendly routes and campsites. Pricing for the 2025 Mercedes Norva Aloha is expected to start around $120,000, placing it in the premium segment of camper vans. Official release dates are still under wraps, but industry insiders suggest a late 2024 debut, with deliveries beginning in early 2025. The 2025 Mercedes Norva Aloha is shaping up to be a game-changer in the camper van market. With its luxurious interior, versatile powertrain, and advanced tech, it's poised to appeal to both weekend adventurers and full-time nomads. Keep an eye out for official announcements, as this van is sure to make waves when it hits the road. Whether you're planning cross-country trips or weekend getaways, the Norva Aloha promises to deliver an unmatched blend of comfort, performance, and innovation. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to its official launch.